Strategies to build lasting generational wealth. Join me as I take on the challenge of building generational wealth that lasts forever. Can I create a legacy that stands the test of time? We've all heard the phrase, riches to rags in 3 generations. It's a harsh reality that many wealthy families face, where their wealth is squandered by the time it reaches the 3rd generation. But what if I told you that it's possible to break this curse and build generational wealth that lasts forever? A wealth that not only provides financial security and freedom for your children and grandchildren, but also leaves a lasting legacy that continues to benefit future generations. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that financial freedom is only possible through hard work and saving. But the truth is that building wealth requires a different mindset and strategy altogether. Families often struggle to build and maintain wealth because of poor financial education and a lack of long-term planning. They may be able to save and invest, but they're not thinking about how to create a sustainable wealth-building machine that can continue to generate income for generations to come. Furthermore, many families lack a clear understanding of how to manage their wealth effectively. They may not have a comprehensive financial plan in place, and they may not be taking advantage of investment opportunities that can help their wealth grow exponentially. And let's be honest, financial education is often lacking in our school systems. So many people don't even know where to start when it comes to building wealth. Additionally, other common challenges families face include a lack of discipline and patience when it comes to their financial decisions. They may be tempted to splurge on luxuries or make impulsive investments that don't align with their long-term goals. And let's not forget that the pressure to keep up with the Joneses can be overwhelming, leading to a lifestyle of consumption rather than creation. So, how can we overcome these obstacles and build generational wealth that lasts? One strategy is to invest in real estate, which has historically provided a steady source of income and long-term appreciation in value. Another strategy is to invest in the stock market, which can provide a higher return on investment over the long term. But it's not just about investing in assets. It's also about investing in education and personal development. When you understand how to manage your wealth effectively, you're more likely to make informed decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. For example, did you know that some of the wealthiest families in the world have a strong focus on education and personal development? They understand that by investing in themselves and their children, they can create a legacy of wealth and success that will continue to benefit their family for generations to come. And it's not just about the wealthy. Even middle-class families can benefit from this approach. One powerful success story that comes to mind is that of the Walton family, the heirs to the Walmart fortune. They've been able to maintain their wealth over multiple generations by investing in education and entrepreneurship, while also giving back to their community through philanthropy. Their story is a testament to the power of long-term planning and intentional wealth building. Another key takeaway from the Walton family's story is the importance of having a clear vision and purpose for your wealth. When you know what you're working towards, you're more likely to make decisions that align with your goals. And it's not just about achieving financial freedom. It's about creating a legacy that will outlast you and benefit future generations. So, let's recap the key strategies we've discussed for building generational wealth that lasts. First, we need to have a clear vision and purpose for our wealth. Second, we need to invest in education and personal development. Third, we need to have a comprehensive financial plan in place, including a strategy for investing in assets such as real estate and stocks. And finally, we need to be intentional about building a legacy that will outlast us and benefit future generations. If you're ready to start building your own generational wealth, I encourage you to take the first step today. Whether it's reading a book on personal finance or seeking out a financial advisor, the most important thing is to take action. And if you have a wealth-building story or tip to share, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to tune in to my next video, where I'll be discussing the importance of financial literacy in achieving financial freedom.